What is up, Powerstroke Nation? My name is Austin and you are watching the Powerstroke YouTube channel. It's been a while, I've been gone. I really apologize for that, you guys, but I'm back. Just been kind of working around my schedule here. I work construction, so summertime is our busiest time of year. I'm working several days, well, obviously several days a week. I'm working like 6 or 7 days a week, and absolutely busy. So finally, I'm getting to my Q&A video that I said I would have last week, but I didn't have time for. So here it is. God, it is. Go up any higher. It is absolutely hot today. It's like 98, and I'm from Oregon. It doesn't get that hot here normally, so I'm pretty much dying right now. So I'm gonna head up to where I can record, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I was gonna set up this whole cool scene where I had the truck parked in the background. I'm sitting on a chair, and the camera's nice and steady, but it's too freaking hot. But I'm gonna prove it to you guys that I have the chair in the background. See right there, nice chair, yeah, right? Oh God, get me back inside the air conditioner. So what we're gonna do, here's my phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit in the nice, cool AC truck and burn up the rest of my fuel. And now that I have the GoPro mounted, I can't really show you, but I'm at an eighth of a tank. This thing is always empty on fuel. I put 40 bucks in yesterday, and it's gone. Before we get started, I really want to say I am absolutely amazed with all the questions I got, and I really want to thank you guys for that. That's absolutely amazing that all of you guys have these questions for me and that you want me to answer them. It really means a lot. So thank you guys so much for leaving comments for me to answer. Question number 1 comes from Caleb. What are your plans for power additions? So I have a lot of plans for this truck for power additions. So as you guys know, I have the chip in it already, the Hydra chip. It'll be linked in the description below. Absolutely amazing. If you guys have a stock 7.3 and you just want to wake it up somewhat cheap, 300 bucks, and you guys get yourself something that really works well for this truck. Future power addition. Well, let's talk about a year plan. Okay, so 1 year plan, I'm going to have a wicked wheel hopefully and maybe some better injectors. But my 5-year plan is compound turbos and just fully built. I wanted to go 500 horsepower, but I'm leaning really close to going just all out and go for a 700 horsepower 7.3. What do you guys think? That would be absolutely amazing and wicked fast. Shane, are you going to upgrade the turbos and injectors? Love the truck and videos. Thank you so much for watching these videos. And yes, I think the last one kind of helped answer that. Absolutely, I'll be upgrading the turbo and injectors on this truck. Hooked on Diesel, thank you so much for the comment. What size exhaust are you running? So I am currently running a 4-inch turbo back, so 4-inch from the turbo all the way out to a 10-inch tip diamond eye exhaust. Absolutely amazing. The truck sounds good and it breathes a lot better. Obviously, I need to get gauges so I can see what my temps are and compare them to stock temps. The next question comes from Wesley Smith, and this one was kind of answered with the first question. What's my horsepower goal? I am going for 700 horsepower now. That's my final end goal, is at least 700 real horsepower, because that would make this truck absolutely monstrous and a lot of fun to run. Motor Mafia has the next 2 questions. Have you ever considered selling your truck? Every single time something breaks, yell at the top of my lungs, I'm selling this thing. Do I mean it? For the right price, I would absolutely sell it. I try not to get attached to vehicles, except the Tahoe, which is my very first vehicle. I'm very attached to that because that's some sentimental value with my grandpa and all that kind of stuff. This truck, for the right price, I would absolutely get rid of in a heartbeat. It's no question. Do you ever travel in your truck, or is it just for town use? Well, I actually do travel with my truck. Last weekend, we went camping over in Bend, Oregon, which is about 120 miles from where I live, and this thing did absolutely amazing. The only time I had an issue, and I think it's the air filter, which means I'm going to go for a sealed box. The turbo started to sneeze a little bit at the very high altitudes that we were climbing to go over the pass to get to where we were going. So yes, I absolutely do take this thing for long road trips. Sadly, it is a lot of town use because I work construction, and that seems to be where all the construction is. So thank you, Motor Mafia, for those questions. Those are absolutely amazing. Very nice 6.7s rolling, and he's staring at my truck hardcore. Hooked on Diesel again. Do I run any fuel additives? Yes, I do. I run Diesel Clean. If you have any sort of diesel, run fuel additives, because these aren't meant to run on the low sulfur diesel. It kind of heats through stuff. It's like non-ethanol in old vehicles. It just doesn't mix very well. So yes, I do. I run a fuel additive. I run Diesel Clean. Kingsman 2010. Who is your favorite person to play Sea of Thieves with? Obviously you, Austin, because that's a freaking awesome game. Jacob has the next question. What would your next truck be? That's a hard one to answer, you guys. So I am very much, it's going to disappoint you guys, I'm a Chevy guy. If I have the choice of my next truck and it's, I have the money for it, probably going to get a Duramax. Now I've already thought about this long and hard. I don't know if I'll ever get rid of this truck. If I get a Duramax, I'll probably have both, and that's, like I said, somebody offers me the right amount of money. But my heart is with Chevy, but I absolutely love the 7.3. I really, really do, and I don't have an issue with it. Hard though, because I love the 6.7s. I'll tell you what, the next truck, if I can find one for the right price, because they seem to be about the same price, if I can find an LBZ Duramax for under 15 grand or a 6.7 for under 20 grand, and I have the money, that will be my next truck. Six Gun, will you get an Instagram for your YouTube channel? Sadly, I'm gonna have to say no to that. I'm not really big on that whole social media stuff, so what I'm gonna do, I think, eventually is I'll do a Facebook page, because then I can share pictures, I can actually comment with you guys, and you guys can get a hold of me, that kind of stuff. I like the layout of Facebook better than Instagram, because I'll be able to write posts and that kind of stuff. So like, if there's a meetup I'm scheduling or something, I don't have to make a whole picture deal about it, I can just write a little post. I prefer just sticking to YouTube for now though, because it's already a lot with what I do for my job. Ryan Leach, why do you wear your sunglasses at night? So I can. I wear my sunglasses in most of my videos because it's a little trick. Casey Neistat and StreetSpeed 717, they both talked about it. It's a trick with your eyes. So with the sunglasses on, I can look anywhere, and as long as I'm facing the camera, it looks like I'm looking at the camera. But lately I've been wanting to be more personable and have my eyes view so you guys can see, and it's not just some guy with handsome sunglasses, and I'm actually a person, not a robot. Mustang has the next comment here. Are you using a boost ruler? If not, would you use one? From my understanding, I think the Hydra actually acts as a boost ruler, because when I run it stock versus when I have the chip in with the chip, the truck actually builds boost better and holds on to boost longer than when it's in the stock one. So I think, and from doing some reading, I'm pretty sure the Hydra chip acts as a boost ruler. If it did not, if I just had the TS 6-position chip that doesn't act as a boost ruler, I would absolutely run it. The next question comes from Jeffrey. Why didn't you keep your stock tow mirrors? And would you ever consider paint matching your grille and bumpers? So I didn't keep my stock mirrors because I'm not a fan of the rounded mirror look. I'm definitely somebody who likes the square mirror and the new style mirrors. I love how clean they look. The Tahoe's running newer style tail mirrors, well, they were newer at the time, and now this Ford is running the 2011 mirrors. I just think it looks a lot better. Heavy D actually did an OBS truck that had the new Duramax mirrors, I believe, and it looked phenomenal. I just think it's a good look and really sharpens the truck up and kind of refreshes it and makes it look new again. As far as the grille and bumpers, the grille is paint matched. I don't know if you saw a video, I did one a little while ago. And the bumpers, I have some plans actually. So the front bumper, I'm gonna see if I can find, because it's chrome, I'm gonna see if I can find somebody that can find me an Oxford white vinyl wrap, and I might wrap the front bumper. As far as the rear, I plan on doing a roll pan and having that color matched. So yes, I will be paint matching my bumpers. Thank you for the question. Michael is the next one. Would you ever consider buying a 6.0 Powerstroke bulletproof? Ooh, for the price I could get a 6.0 versus, oh gosh, that's a hard question. This is a good one. I like this one. Would I buy a 6.0 if it was bulletproof? They sound absolutely amazing, and I love the 6.0s. They have so much power delivery, and they're a really, really good truck. I absolutely love them, but I have a 7.3, and I kind of want to stay true to the 7.3 and build this thing to compete with the 6.0s. I think it'd be fun to pull up next to somebody in a 6.0, and I'm not expecting the 7.3 to pull them. Would I ever consider buying one though? Yes, absolutely. I would absolutely consider buying one. Curtis has the next one. I actually commented back to you, but I will answer you in the video. Hey buddy, got a question about the 6.0 headlights. With your trim job to the header pin, are you still able to adjust the lights up and down and side to side? Thanks. Yes, I absolutely am. The lights themselves are self-contained. The adjustments are all on the headlights themselves. They're not an external piece. So yes, I can adjust them completely, and I have them adjusted perfectly for this truck. And it is super nice. I actually drove pretty late last night, and I was absolutely amazed with the quality headlight. Mike has the next question. What's getting paint matched? What do you use for cleaning? What are the upcoming mods? What do you do for a living? Just a couple questions off the top of my head, man. Keep up the great videos. Thank you so much for the comment on the videos. I definitely try to do my best for you guys. I really appreciate what you guys do. You guys watch my videos, you comment, you interact. It's really awesome, and I have an amazing fan base, and I really want to thank you guys for that. What's getting paint matched? So I'm considering paint matching the rest of the mirrors. I think it would look really good, but I want to talk to you guys about that. I think the skull caps look really good, but I think we could do a little more. The bumpers are definitely getting paint matched. I'm I'm considering ordering new handles and paint matching those. I've also considered, oh my gosh, I'm paint matching everything. I've considered building custom taillights and having those paint matched as well. So a lot of paint matching would be happening on this truck. What do I use for cleaning? I use McGuire's. It's the yellow stuff. I don't know what it is. It smells good. It smells like Monster, actually. It's kind of funny. I use that and a lot of Chemical Guys stuff, actually. And hey, if you guys, you know, over at Chemical Guys want to hook it up, or McGuire's, hey, I'm open. Upcoming mods, I'm hoping to do pillar gauges soon. This thing needs some gauges. You guys keep telling me to do them. It needs them. I'm hoping that's going to be the next mod. It all depends on money. There's other things I got to spend my money on. And I got to do that freaking giveaway. What do I do for a living? I work construction. I actually do a lot of remodel construction and new construction. Right now we're working on several major projects, like a couple $100,000 projects, and they take up a lot of my time, and that's why I've been so busy. Are you going to do an EVPD delete? What is your thoughts on the delete? I actually have no idea what that is. I should probably do some research and figure that out. So if you want to inform me down below, that'd be perfect, and I'll comment back to you. Thank you so much. Sal has the last question here. What are the big upgrades that you would like to do to the 7.3? I would absolutely love to get the compound turbos done, the injectors done, all the sporting mods, air intake, that kind of stuff. Built transmission, one-piece driveline, built rear end. God, there's so much I want to do to this truck. I want to basically have a fast 7.3 that I can take to any drag race event and just have fun and actually be a competitor in. And eventually, if I ever get, you know, called out to the YouTube call out, I gotta step on somebody. I gotta make somebody mad. So thank you guys so much for those questions. That was a lot of fun. Let's do another one here in the future when I have some more stuff and maybe a couple more subscribers. That was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for the comments. So now, with all those questions answered, I have a question for you guys. So I've been doing some live videos like I did the last, what was it, 2 weeks ago, with me riding quads. It didn't do very well. I had a whopping like 170 views as of this point. I would be able to do more content and upload more frequently if you guys like those videos, but I want to know if you guys like them because they don't do very well, so I kind of go off the views and the likes to see if you guys actually do enjoy them. But it's hard to tell if you guys like them without talking to you. So please comment below. If you guys like those videos, I'll be able to make videos more often. If not, no worries. I'll just kind of skip over those and maybe do some short videos of the truck and do some cinematic shots or whatever. If you guys do like that, that would open up a whole new world of opportunity with quads, fishing, camping, all that kind of fun stuff. So if you guys really would like to see that, please let me know. I will do it. If I get enough response for you guys wanting that, I will do it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it if you want, share it with a couple friends. Let's grow this even more. We're at 1,400 subscribers, and that is absolutely amazing. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment below. I'll comment back. All the upgrades for the truck that I've done are in the description below. Music, everything should be in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.